Hi, welcome back to another session of anubhavshaphotography. In this session, we are going to talk about how to create fluid gradient cover art in Photoshop, and we will quickly see how to achieve this. Fluid gradient cover art is very artistic effect in Photoshop. By using this technique, you can generate amazing cover art for any of your images. So let's jump into Photoshop and start the magic. Hello, wonderful people. This is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhavshaphotography. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, first thing first, let's open Photoshop and open our document, which should have size of width 2000 and height 2000, and pixel should be 72 or 150, depends on your requirement. Press OK, and just make sure your foreground color is selected as black, and press Alt backspace to fill it with the black. Double click, convert to layer. Select horizontal type tool, choose any font you like, Ctrl T, and just make it a little big. Press enter, and you can select the styling as per your requirement. Just go to Windows and Character, and you will get this particular small dialog box. From it, you can just select the styling as per your requirement. Perfect, just make a new layer. Grab the brush tool and just select foreground color as any color which you like. And increase the size of your brush. Make sure your hardness is 0. And just paint like this. Change the color. Perfect, just go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and make radius to somewhere 140. That's OK. Come to brush, right click, and just go to mixer brush tool. Just select dry heavy load and make sure clean brush should be selected. Just press Option in Mac or Alt in Windows and click somewhere here. Select the brush, hard round, and increase its size. Just press Alt or Option and just click right here. Once you're going to click here, please notice this particular small box. You will get the same reflection or gradient right here by pressing Alt. Just deselect this layer, make new layer, and make it underneath. And just come to your layer and make a stroke like this. Once it is done, just press Command or Control and click on this text thumbnail once. You will get the selection. Grab the eraser and just erase the parts like this. Do Command D to deselect and just make few strokes like this. Enable this layer and just press Alt or Option and change the color. We are doing the same action as we did with this E alphabet. And now just create another layer. Drag it underneath, enable it, select any color, select this layer and increase the size really big. Pick another color, make a new layer and just drag this layer underneath. go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and apply the blur somewhere 12. Okay. Select this layer, just drag it above to layer 4. Select it and then go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and just decrease the radius a bit, somewhere 3. Okay. Just enable this background layer and drag it to the bottom of all the layers. Do Ctrl T and just drag it like this. And you're almost done, and you can just rotate this particular layer to generate some different kind of effects. Just press enter once you're done. Finally, just make another layer, tag it to the underneath to all the layers to the bottom. Press command backspace to fill it with white because our background color is white. Just press on crop once and press enter. Okay, now we have selected all the layers, but we have left the white background, and just press command T and drag it little bit inside. Make another layer for the text, and this time I'm going to select monument and writing text for fluid gradient. Ctrl T and just adjust it as per your requirements. You can change its style. And you're almost done. You have achieved wonderful results, and you can just manipulate with any kind of text to generate very effective results. Please enjoy and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
Alright, so as we have seen that how wonderfully and effectively we can generate fluid gradient cover art in Photoshop in no time, and you can start using this technique to achieve wonderful effects. And in case you find any difficulty using Photoshop or photography, you can go to our website www.anubhavshaphotography.com, or you can comment in comment section. And if you have not subscribed my channel right now, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon. We are coming back with a fresh dedicated episode for you. Meanwhile, stay fit, stay healthy, be happy. This is Anubhav Sharma from Anubhavshaphotography signing off.